Hey, Anthurium Festival kan ya an show na thin khain ta tla hian stage an siam ta tla hian artist ho and then audience everywhere chuan Mizo model village an ti kha tla hian omin ka hretlat kan en chin don ange Hazel potang Hazel ah approach road cobblestones a bit slippery you have to be careful Okay, get the information. So, here is the model village. Let's see what it looks like. Wow, looks good. How is it? Bye.
There is a person that can guide you.
All right.
He's there.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome.
Did you enjoy? Good. La ve zoi zoi nge tha hi he chu zolbu ka ni nge ka ringa ani nge ye lal in zolbuk this is the community building, you can say, like community hut. It's a huge hut where all the boys stay at night guarding the village during times of head hunting. And this is Lalin, which means the king's residence. Zao is where they wait, outside of the king's residence. Yeah, it's all dark, so no use going inside. It's just like in Arunachal itself. Arunachal also same thing. Fireplace in the middle. And everywhere. Oh. Lu man kan la. Kai ngor